Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTX. Today's topic, how to hidden any folder and files in Windows. Let's start our today's video. Today we will act on these files. First of all, click to Right button on the Word file, and after that click to Properties. Then, open the dialog box of Properties. In this Properties option, click to Hidden check mark. You can also choose the advanced setting of it. End of the settings, apply and OK. Kindly attention of this file view is blur, that mean it's already included of the hidden file. But, do you know why this file is visible? Let's see. Click to View tab, then click Option. Now, in this folder option, first click on View tab, and second, click on Don't Hidden Files and Folder option, for vanishing the files from folder. Then, apply and OK. Now, you can see, the file is totally hide from this folder. Now, also do the same action for this new file. So, now we will see how to unhide any hidden files and folder. Yes, all the files are visible. Now, we will see how to hide any folder with their included file. Now, repeat all the previous action that we did for file hidden. Kindly attention here, for hidden action, you can choose only folder or folder included files option. You can also change the folder icon. Okay, so let's see it. Now, we remove the hidden mark on all the files and folder. Stay tuned for enjoying more videos. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you, have a nice day.